she got a knee replacement and now she regrets it. As the saying goes, you can lead a horse to water. This is a story about a family member who was having great discomfort with her knee. And she would have these like huge Costco size containers of ibuprofen at home that she would consume quite regularly. And we kept on trying to offer her our assistance as we saw how much she was suffering. But, she didn't want it, basically. She always refused our help. Even as being family, we offered it to her completely free of charge. And she insisted instead that she was going to have a knee replacement. And that was going to solve all of her problems, right? And as much as we tried to explain the risks and shortcomings of such a procedure, she again refused to listen, as she was listening to her doctor, who was the only person that she was going to listen to. And he had already convinced her that a knee replacement is no big deal and no problem, and that would totally solve all of her issues. So finally the day came and she had the procedure, and her first comment actually was, after she got it done, was how much it hurt. And this was even after having multiple children. She described her knee replacement as the worst pain that she had ever experienced in her life. And though she first claimed that she was happy that she got it, it wasn't long before she started to complain that her replacement was giving her problems and that she was unhappy with it. And so basically now she's stuck with a metal hinge where her knee used to be, and there's not much anyone can really do about it besides she could get it replaced again. But the issue with getting a new replacement of a replacement is that there is much more to be done, and it's much more difficult, and the initial replacement is a much easier procedure. So basically the results are never as good with the second replacement, and it's much more painful even than the first, and you even need a specialist to get it done. You can't just go to the same person usually that did your first one. And so the bottom line is they just keep removing more and more bone, and they keep putting more and more metal into your body. And so again, we explained all of this to her before she got her procedure done, and that even in the best case scenario, these replacements don't usually last more than about 20 years without problems. And she was not even that old when she got it done. But all of that fell on deaf ears. And so we even told her that we knew someone whose doctor refused to give them a procedure, the knee replacement procedure, because they were only 55, and because the doctor was honest enough to let them know that it's too young, because it's going to wear out and then you're going to need another one, and then by the time you are 80, they're not going to be able to operate anymore to get another replacement, because you're going to be in a high risk category, so you're going to end up in a wheelchair basically. But anyway, she didn't listen. We tried our best to help her, and this was a family member, avoid a knee replacement. But again, she wouldn't listen, and she got it done anyway, and she now regrets it. And it was only a short while later that she started regretting it. So the reason I'm telling you all this story is that if you have joint discomfort, like your knee bothers you, for example, and I just want you to, create the possibility in your mind that you could eliminate that discomfort and transform your mobility radically without having to resort to surgery to have to do it. And I'm here to help you make that possibility your reality. So just book a call. It's a free discovery call with me today by clicking on the link below or near this video, and let me help you open your mind to what's truly possible with our unique and patented system to help you not just get a little better, not just get a little slight bit of relief, but you can actually totally eliminate your joint discomfort and dramatically improve your mobility. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. And again, book a call with me. It's a free discovery call. And I'll talk to you next time.